Ladies and gentlemen, come gather around, come gather around, come gather around. Today, harmonic balancer love. We're going to take this disgusting groove, yes, worn by the rubber seal. The rubber seal has worn out this presumably steel center, and we're going to fix that so that we can still use this harmonic balancer. And it's cheaper than the cost of a harmonic balancer. Let's go. This particular one is by Malley, whomever, and really a company named Speedi-Sleeve invented these, and it's like a sleeve that you can speedily put on the end. It's very thin. It makes it a little bit bigger in diameter to squeeze against that new seal and help it leak less. And this is going to be just gently slid over the top, usually with some kind of sealant. It does come with instructions. It says clean the rust and dirt from the pulley seal surface, coat the worn seal area with gasket sealant, press or drive sleeve onto harmonic balancer shank, make certain that the sleeve is started straight. Sleeve can be driven or pressed on using a wood block or a correct harmonic balancer repair sleeve installation tool. Remove all sealant from the outer sleeve, lubricate the outer surface of the sleeve, use standard pulley and blah, blah, blah. So it's fine. So I have in the past used Loctite thread sealer on these. This one says to use a gasket sealant. So this is a very disappointingly effective gasket sealant. It smells wonderful. So we're going to goop that on here, push it down there, tap it home nice and gently, probably with a piece of wood, and then it'll be fixed. So, there we go. This is the Speedi-Sleeve. It is hardened steel.
Yummy.
Yep. And in theory this will work. It's a very tight, snug fit, so we can goop all of this. And I will probably goop both pieces just to be sure, because I can always wipe it clean. On there. And if you look at this, that groove, you can feel that with your finger.
I can see
that. The rubber seal did that.
How?
It's just how it does it. It's what it does, man. It's how they wear out. You wouldn't think the rubber would do that, but
no, you'd think it would be the other way around.
Yeah, dripping water can wear a hole through stone. So I'm going to put this on here like so, and then we will gently, with a piece of probably this piece of metal, let's get down here. There you go. Done deal.
Hey.
Now, blip. Wipe that off. Do I have a lacquer thinner in here? Not much. Okay. And I'm going to clean that off. In theory, you could peel this off and do it again, because I have seen a Speedi-Sleeve worn through by the new seal.
It just doesn't stop.
No. And there we go. New hotness right there, ready to go. Woo!